under it.
Oh yeah.
I know, but they have a fire truck there.
I don't think it's near the fireworks. Or just, yeah, like smoke. Smoke.
Smoke, though.
Yep, a lot of fireworks.
Well, the smoke's near the ground. From the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know. Fireworks are usually automatic, so they don't stop.
Yeah, those kind of fireworks actually have a time.
They still have to light by fire.
I know fireworks.
Don't they? Yeah, but it's still fire, lighting it. Right?
Automatic.
Whatever.
Okay, whenever you say automatic, it still means that there's fire involved.
Oh, good.
That's pretty.
I know.
Oh, look at the small one is the biggest one.
It looked like...
Go off too early. Yeah.
What? Is it you? Sarah, you're texting too.
Sorry, it's
Worked at 9.
yeah.
4th of July?
Yep, I have tomorrow at 9. Figure out which pool. I think it's the pool we were just at, but there's like 4 pools. We're going to that pool tomorrow? I'm meeting the kid there. We're part of swim team, I think. I'm just checking. I might be this one or the one too. That was blue and green lit. Yeah. Well, maybe you're like a
It's all done.
Master fireworks person.
Pyrotechnics.
that person. Did you know there are people at Lego that just build things? It's called master builders.
Yeah.
That would also be...
What?
That would also be...
Yeah. There was a guy who built, he was a master builder. He built a Yoda at our mall. And me and Lucy got a picture with it. Yep.
Hey.
He wants to be a Lego builder.
I gave him that idea. I was like, so you like Legos a lot? 'Cause, like, he wants to build the Hogwarts or whatever.
Yeah, but sometimes I wish I had to obviously.
put any.
Seriously, I'm trying to look.
My mom has off.
Using reverse psychology on yourself.
Yeah.
Having a bond.
No big deal.
What happened? It's huge fire at camp. This wide, this long. It was just like, you know, like he built a box. He just did that with real wood and set it ablaze. I know. It dried my socks. I also burned a hole in one of them though. Just it was difficult. I think they're trying to.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. What if we have like an
Look at it, it's really big now. Look, the bottom is really
I think it's a fire truck. There are people, I can see the people walking through there and they look very calm. Not like they would have been on fire. Drive by there and see how much smoke there is.
I think they're going to be like a pretty white one. And then there's a color.
Erica, why would that ruin it?
I know. I just want to see this one.
I wish it was more neon though. You're right.
I want to get one of those fireworks launchers that's like a mortar, so you slide it in and just drop it and the pressure of it hitting the ground.
Yeah, it's all been like...
I want to get one.
red, just so you know that.
I never said, oh yeah, I want a computer one. I said, stop it.
No, like some like.
Blows up without having to have a fuse or anything. Madison, please
It's
stop.
like a fourth of like it's kind of blue.
Oh.
Please stop. Stop.
I just want to lean back.
Like only certain colors. Black and gray. They just see.
See, if I was... I showed up, I wouldn't even be
Oh.
black. Because that just looks weird.
There's nothing that's colorblind.
They should traded glasses. No, they should get, they have like...
Why'd you sit behind me then?
Because there's no more.
Alex, you want to trade?
Sure.
No, don't. No, just no.
They see like similar colors.
I just won't enjoy it.
As long as you don't touch me.
Green and blue look the same.
No, I want to see it from
There's
here.
no difference.
She's leaning on me. I am, but she's leaning on me.
Is that the end of it?
No.
Such a lame ending,
10,
though.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Looks like it's the end. 5, 4,
Maybe the fire for
4, 3.5.
2.
There's just like outlines of these little
One.
these things. quarter.
I think it's done.
I really sincerely think it's done.
I thought you were taking a picture.
I think it's done. Happy